this is Colton has grown up. I have grown up. I got a new haircut, and he has cut his hair. And today, we're doing store-bought slimes versus homemade slimes. So I got this one from Walmart, but I got this stuff from Target. So, yeah, so let's get it on. So this is amazing slime, it says, and it says...
Get a close up.
Me,
Pull it up.
Colton,
Show it.
Colton, show them the video. Colton.
Yeah, that's good. I'm good.
It's a green
You don't have to get
slime,
close to me.
awesome.
I got came out. You don't have to get close to me. I got it. I can see it.
Okay. But so it's hard to get this open. And our camera guy is my dad, so yeah. Jeez, this is hard to get open.
Yeah, me too.
Got it. Okay. So you ready?
Can you open mine?
Yeah. Hold on, guys. My brother always needs help, so I'm a helping sister.
Very good.
Not always.
This is easy. This is easy. Easy.
Easy like a cheesy.
What's that?
Easy like a squeezy.
This is actually our first slime video, guys.
Colt, put your boots up. Let's show you your new shoes. Check out Colton's new shoes, everybody. Check them out.
Yeah, he got them from.
Oh man, those are nice. Those are nice.
Oh, guys, at the end, stay.
Oh, and everybody, here, Colt. Let's see your head real quick. Colton decided to cut his hair for himself the other night.
Guys, stay tuned.
He's a nice little haircut.
Guys, stay
Good.
tuned to the end because at the end we're going to tell you a story what happened at Target a couple days ago.
What
Like
happened?
last week. It was on a Monday.
All right, as soon as you get this opened up, we'll be back on.
Okay.